welcome back to my channel. My name is Chantel and life is short, so thanks for taking the time out of yours to watch this video. So this video was supposed to just be like a really quick video. I'm gonna put it out there, but it's turning out not to be like that. And I was hoping to ask everybody on my socials about a certain thing that I need help with to complete this room makeover. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but like I have this makeup organizer and like my skincare or whatever on my vanity, and I thought it was organized because it's like a makeup organizer, but it's not actually organized and it kind of looks messy and I'm kind of embarrassed of it. So I'm gonna go on my Instagram and I'm gonna ask people to show me what their makeup organizers look like. And then I also have a friend who's really into organization and like making everything super aesthetically pleasing. And so I'm gonna ask her for some help. So there's gonna be a part 2 because I'm gonna fix this makeup section on my vanity. And so yeah, this is kind of just the beginning of it. So I hope you enjoy the video and that you stay tuned until part 2. So yeah, thanks guys, enjoy. Hi guys. So I recently painted my room and I didn't take video of that because I don't want my camera to get dirty and it was kind of crazy in here. But this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna show y'all. It's okay, I don't know why it kind of looks like grayish. Maybe it's my light. But when you like come into my room, it's actually a little like peachy. You can say like a peach white type situation. But I thought it'd be kind of interesting to show you guys how I'm organizing and fixing up all this random crap. And there's a bunch of stuff like up there in that hallway that's also mine that I have to like fix up and put away and make it look pretty. I'm literally wiping everything because everything is so dusty. But I was thinking of doing this vlog because I haven't posted on YouTube in a really long time, and it's because I was doing all this, but I also filmed another video that I want to put up as well, but I've just been busy. And so I don't know, do you guys like this kind of stuff, like time-lapse vlog videos? Maybe I'll do more of these. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean everything up. My dad is looking in my room. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Dad.
What's that?
It's YouTube.
Oh.
How do you like the color of my room? Thanks for helping.
Nice.
Okay, so I guess I'll just put you guys somewhere and show you how I'm cleaning up this crazy room. Not yet. I'll order it right now. I'm still getting used to how to turn this thing off. Okay. Bye. I'm considering just putting you guys up here. Just having you chill out and see what I'm doing. I don't know. This is my first time vlogging. Ow. Actually, it's not my first time vlogging. I've vlogged before. Look how much random stuff I got, guys. Gotta fix all this random stuff. And slowly getting there. Hey guys, it's a new day because I actually started cleaning last night quite late, so I'm back at it again. I'm kind of chapped because like you can see, I don't know if you can see it. There's like gross things on my window. I don't know if you can see. It's like from the outside though. So I can't really do anything about it, which is kind of annoying, but whatever.
Pirme ba?
I'm not zooming in.
Oh.
He's coming to check out my room, y'all.
Dude, that's actually a really nice
You're
camera.
too tall. I know.
So that.
You guys did.
Alright. I'm out of town.
Okay. And this is when I realized I put the curtain on wrong. If you know how curtains are supposed to look, the ends are supposed to face away from you, but I put the ends facing towards me, and that's just not it. That's better. In this time lapse, you'll probably see me laughing or smiling. It's because I'm watching/listening to a podcast. I love listening to them when I do chores around the house. Sometimes I'll listen to music, but I've been hooked on podcasts. I am currently watching/listening to one called Get Real. It's these Korean American musicians, and they talk about the struggles and what life is like as a young adult in today's society, and I relate to it so much. Sometimes I will listen to Lewis Howes and the School of Greatness. Put your favorite podcasts down in the comments. I would like to know what you guys are listening to. It's just great to have and to check out for the future. So I thank you in advance. So it's another day. I forgot to vlog some of the stuff that I was doing, but I have all this stuff finished. My dad made me a shelf. And so I fixed that as well. The next thing we have to do is put these ugly closet drawers back on. So that's what we're gonna do. I know this is a mess right now, but I found a tablecloth that I'm gonna get my auntie to sew. She used to be, are they called seamstress? She sews things, so I'm gonna ask her. It's the perfect length, it's just too wide, so I'm gonna ask her to cut it to fit this size. I think it's 16 inches. So we're gonna do that later, but that is what I'm gonna use to cover up this vanity. A random tip, you guys. Whenever you buy stuff at the store, wash it. Like, if it's clothes or whatever, wash it. And if it's groceries and stuff, wash it. Because it's not just because of COVID. My family actually has done this since I was a kid. You don't know who's touched that item. You don't know how many people have touched that item. You don't know if it's fallen or whatever. Like, one example I can give is I was at Winners and HomeSense to get that tablecloth, and there was a woman who was just, you know, sweeping and mopping, and then the mop was like touching the clothes under, like, because she was going under the racks. And I was like, you see, like if you buy something and you just wear it right away, you would never know that somebody got like mop water on that. So it's not necessarily also the irresponsibility of the worker, it's just how it is at stores. And yeah, if you guys haven't watched my video on my skincare, this is the thing I'm currently dealing with, and I'm okay with it. I don't care.
Okay. Yes. Huli na. Okay na.
Okay, thank you.
No problemo.
Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm not completely done, but this is another update. Girlfriend, I don't know why it's like literally taken me a month to figure out my room. You need lotion? You need lotion?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks.
Yung isa, yung kwan. Nasaan?
You took it.
Saan ko yung lagay?
I don't know. Under the table? Look, look at there. Say hi, look at it. Put your face there. No, put your face there. Hello again, this is another update. This has taken me so much more longer than I expected. It is currently March 16, and I started this on February 14th, like Valentine's Day. Me and Raymond started painting on Valentine's Day. And I told myself at the time, I was like, yo, it's gonna be fine. It's just gonna take a week. It's all good. It's a month later and nothing is really that done. My mom made me put these ugly closet doors back on, and I hate it. I'm just gonna show you guys that I'm going to Snapchat my friend. Hi Joshua, how are you? I just have a question. I'm currently actually filming for my bedroom makeover vlog, and I wanted to somewhat include you into this because I actually need your help. I really want to do something with this wall and this wall, but I don't know what, and I know you're good at interior design. You can give me some ideas. Oh, there's my auntie walking by. And I also don't know how I want to like fix this shelf. I don't really know what to do with it, and then I don't know if I want to organize this makeup section. And you're really good at interior design and like organizing, so I thought I should message you. So please help me out. I love you. Bye. Honestly, you guys, most things are the same. Like, I put everything in the same spot. I just got a new shelf. I just wanted to paint my room because it was ugly. I chose that color when I was in junior high, and I'm 24 now. Turning 25 in a month. So, yes, that's why I wanted to change the stuff in my room. Also, what do you guys do with like, your like house robes and towels? I don't want it. I feel like it kind of looks like unorganized if I put it there. But yes, I've also realized you saw my double chin a lot in this video, but I don't care. So yeah, I'll give you an update when my room is all done, I guess. Or another progress video. We'll see.